Hi, my name is Eugene. Today I'm going to show you how to install OpenFoam in a RedHat 7 or CentOS 7 machine. So first we check the version of the OS. We proceed then to install some necessary plugins to install OpenFoam. We then install some alternative software sources. We need then to install some more plugins. We then enable OpenFoam using the Copper plugin. Then we install the OpenFoam selector. And now, finally, we are able to install OpenFoam, any OpenFoam version available from the newly open source sources that we have installed. After installing OpenFoam, now we are ready to test that everything works. Just exit the root user and write OpenFoam and the version you installed. You should get this no errors and this screen output, and then you are all set. So here, a summary. Here are all the commands we used to perform the installation. I hope you found the video useful. If so, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification button.